Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about future perfect tense. This lecture is for those students who are learning translation based grammar. I will have finished my work at 6 o'clock. So this is the situation how we are going to use in future perfect tense. So without a further ado, let's talk about our today's topic. Here is the use of future perfect tense to say that something will be finished or ended by a particular time in future. यानी फ्यूचर में कोई काम हम शो करें कि ख़त्म होगा या कंप्लीट होगा, तो उसके लिए हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस इस्तेमाल करेंगे. How we are going to use it? Like, in 4 years time I will have written my novel. यानी 3 साल के अरसे में मैं अपना नावल लिख के पूरा करूँगा. So this is the situation we are going to use for future perfect tense. Here is another situation. I will have finished my work at 6 o'clock. यानी मैं अपना काम 6 बजे ख़त्म कर लूँगा. यानी ये शो कर रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर में ये अपना काम 6 बजे ख़त्म कर लेंगे. Here how we are going to make translation from English into Urdu. I will have finished my work at 6 o'clock. इसको हम उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, मैं अपना काम 6 बजे ख़त्म कर लूँगा. How we are going to make its translation? First we are going to translate subject. मैं यानी I. ख़त्म कर लूँगा. We are going to see or look at the verb. I will have finished. And then object, my work at 6 o'clock. So this is how we are going to make translation from English into Urdu. Here is the affirmative sentences, or how we are going to make sentences. Like, first we are going to put subject. Helping verbs इसके जो है वो shall have और will have होंगे as it is there. और main verb का थर्ड फॉर्म हम यूज़ करेंगे. फर्स्ट फॉर्म कंप्लीट है तो उसको हमने completed और completed कर लिया हुआ है. And then object. As it is there, I shall have completed homework by next day. He or she will have completed homework in 3 days. We shall have completed homework by Saturday. You will have completed homework by Saturday. They will have completed homework by Saturday. Rehan will have completed homework by Saturday. Rehan and Fahid will have completed homework by Saturday. So this is how we are going to make affirmative sentences. These are the time expressions we are using as it is there in 3 days, or in 3 months, years, by Saturday, by next year, etc. As those are used in the sentences. Here is the structure of negative sentences, how we are going to make. Subject हम put करेंगे और shall have and will have के बिल्कुल बीच में हम not का इस्तेमाल करेंगे as it is there. And third form of the main verb का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. And then object. As it is there, I shall not have completed homework by next day. He or she will not have completed homework in 3 days. We will not have completed homework by Saturday. You will not have completed homework by Saturday. They will not have completed homework by Saturday. Rehan will not have completed homework by Saturday. Rehan and Wahid will not have completed homework by Saturday. Here is the structure of interrogative sentences. We are going to put shall or will first, then subject, and then have. यानी shall have और will have जो है वो हम subject बीच में रखेंगे, आगे shall और will and then have का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. And third form of the main verb का इस्तेमाल भी करेंगे. As it is there, shall I have completed homework by next day? Will he or she have completed homework in 3 days? Shall we have completed homework by Saturday? Will you have completed homework by Saturday? Will they have completed homework by Saturday? Will Rihan have completed homework by Saturday? And will Rihan and Fahid have completed homework by Saturday? So this is how we are going to make interrogative sentences. Here is the structure how we are going to make interrogative sentences. पहले हम shall या will का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, then subject और helping verb यानी have, or third form of the main verb and then object. As it is there, shall I not have completed homework by next day? Will he or she not have completed homework in 3 days? Shall we not have completed homework by Saturday? Will you not have completed homework by Saturday? Will they not have completed homework by Saturday? Will Rehan not have completed homework by Saturday? And will Rehan and Wahid not have completed homework by Saturday? So this is how we are going to make interrogative sentences in future perfect tense. Thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully this would have been very helping for all of you.